everybody, Rochelle Plumstead here, Remax East Coast Elite. Thank you very much for joining me for this Friday's Moving Up Minute. We're going to continue on with the question that we've been tackling the last couple of weeks. Why are properties selling over asking price? Because this is very unique for the Fredericton area. It's been happening in the larger cities for quite some time, but it is unique for our area. So the first two answers that we went through were, one, the motivated buyer. Not going to get into that. You can look at the past video or feel free to get in touch and I can explain what that is. The second was multiple offers. Again, not going to spend a lot of time going over that. That's when more than one offer comes in on the property at the same time. You can look at that video or again, reach out to me and I can explain that. The third reason I'm going to suggest is that the property is actually being underpriced to begin with. So we have what's called a market value, and that is based on what similar properties are selling for. Price, style, location, age, upgrades, that type of thing. So an experienced realtor can give you a pretty good idea of what market value is. So let's say market value on a home is $250,000. Based on our research, this is what we've presented you with. And for whatever reason, we have decided to price your property at $200,000. We're hoping, obviously, to get multiple offers to have buyers competing to buy your property. So what if we then get an offer accepted at $250,000 and that's what it sells for? So the reality is a lot of realtors are marketing that they've sold a property $50,000 over asking price when, of course, technically they have, but they sold it at market value. So it's not like you've got way more money than your house is worth. You actually got what it was worth. So if you had listed your property at market value, which is $250,000, could you have gotten $260,000 or $270,000? Rather than getting $50,000 over the underpriced value, could you have actually gotten more than market value? These are the questions that you need to ask yourself, and you need to be honest and ask your realtor because they should be able to walk you through this and their reasoning for why they're doing something. It's a little concerning to me when we're seeing some properties that are selling so drastically above the asking price because if the value's not there, then the value's not there. It would have been there to begin with. And I feel like some sellers are actually maybe not getting as much as what they could have if they would have priced it at market value and not had a flurry of buyers terrified and making offers $50,000 over asking because that's what they feel is a great deal when you maybe lost some money. I know it's confusing. Trust me, it's confusing for a lot of us too, but I'm happy to walk through it. I'm happy to have a discussion. I'm happy to have a debate, but this is a pretty neat market. So there's the third reason why I feel like a property could sell over asking. Bye for now. We'll see you next week.